Hey guys, and welcome to Techy Taca. "2021 turned out to be a great year for everyone in the field of cryptocurrency and the blockchain. Everyone wanted a piece of the coins and tokens and the insane returns they had given to the people who had been holding it for years. This boom of blockchain-based services brought about the rise of Web 3.0, also known as Web3, which comprises various decentralized applications and services that are built and run on the blockchain. This decentralization offers various benefits like security, privacy, and the removal of middlemen, to name a few. In this video, we'll have a look at some decentralized applications that run on various blockchains and how they aim to disrupt the current market. So, without any further hold up, let's dive straight in. First up, we have Audius, which is a decentralized music streaming solution based on the ever so fast Solana blockchain. It also has its own token named Audio and aims to take on Spotify, Apple Music, and other centralized music streaming giants. The aim of Audius is to revolutionize the music industry and allow for the monetization of as many artists as possible with the help of their audio token. The audio token also allows its holders to pay for the content that they consume, and 100% of the proceeds go to the artists without any commissions. It is run and maintained by an open source community, including fans, artists, and developers. What makes Audius unique is that unlike other music streaming platforms, the number of track plays does not determine the artist's proceeds. Audius has also recently struck a partnership with social media giants TikTok, which will surely boost the platform's popularity. Audius also has an Android app which can be found on the Play Store. At number 2, we have Livepeer, which is a decentralized video streaming platform built on the Ethereum blockchain. It has its own token named the Livepeer token, also known as LPT, and offers a scalable platform as a service for developers who want to add live video streaming to their project. It aims to increase the reliability of the video streaming while significantly reducing the cost associated with it by over 50 times. Livepeer primarily caters to 3 types of enthusiasts: the developers, who can incorporate Livepeer's video streaming services to their applications with the help of their gateway API and also contribute to the codebase of Livepeer, which is open source, in an attempt to improve it. The token holders, who can fund the project by buying and holding LPT to improve the reliability and the security of the network by either acquiring it from a decentralized exchange or by staking it. And finally, the video miners, who can earn LPT and ETH by running a Livepeer node on their GPU that advertises the cost of transcoding videos. If you want to learn more about how Livepeer works, you can find a 10-minute primer on their page that explains how the project works at a higher level. Next up, we have PancakeSwap, which is one of many decentralized exchanges out there. PancakeSwap is built on the Binance Smart Chain and is one of the largest exchanges in terms of market cap. They have their own token called Cake, with which you can trade, stake, or vote. Other exchanges too, like Uniswap on Ethereum and Radium on Solana, are quite similar to PancakeSwap and just require you to connect your wallet to allow for swapping. It does not require the user to sign up or provide any details, and if you're looking to swap some coins in the Binance Smart Chain, PancakeSwap is the place to be. Last but not least, we have Index Cooperative, which is built on the Ethereum blockchain and aims to make investing in the Web3 world easy and safe for everyone. They have their own token named Index and offer multiple crypto indices that one can choose to invest in. These indices consist of tokens that belong to a particular category, and the tokens are chosen individually based on its market cap. Some of the products in their roster include the DeFi Pulse Index, that tracks the performance of decentralized financial assets such as Aave, Sushi, Instadap, and Uniswap. Then there's the Metaverse Index that captures the trend of entertainment, sports, and businesses shifting to take place in virtual environments by tracking tokens like Decentralized, Rarible, and Sandbox. Then there's the Data Economy Index, which tracks those tokens like Chainlink and Basic Attention Token, whose assets aim to disrupt the data monopolies built in big tech. Users can buy and sell these indices on their web app and don't have to worry about rebalancing or doing any sort of research, as Index Co-op's team takes care of it. Perfect for people who are new to the field. So that brings us to the end of our list. The links to all the tabs mentioned in the video will be available in the description below. If you feel like I've missed out on mentioning some amazing DApps, do let me know in the comments below. Until next time, peace out.